Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate with Zillow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zillow website on your preferred browser. Locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Enter the address of the property you wish to transfer and hit enter. Once the property page opens, verify that all the details are correct. Look for the option that says sell or transfer ownership. Click on this option to bring up the transfer. Fill in the required fields, including the seller's and buyer's information. Make sure to enter the purchase price accurately. Review the property's details one more time to ensure everything is correct. If applicable, upload any necessary documents, such as the deed or title. Once completed, check for any prompts asking for additional information. After confirming all details, locate the Submit button. Click on Submit to begin the transfer process. You will receive a confirmation on the screen once the submission is successful. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the transfer. If you encounter issues, check Zillow's help section for guidance. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. Finally, take note of any timelines mentioned for the completion of the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.